Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the back camera on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet. Then begin removing the display from the front. For this, we are using a heating pad. Gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. Use a heating pad with the screen facing down and run the tablet heating cycle. You can also use a heat gun or hair dryer for this process. Please note that some tablets may require additional heating. Next, use a suction cup on the side to create a small gap. Insert a plastic cup pry tool into the gap and carefully slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. Take your time during this step and avoid inserting the tool too deep. Use just the tip. Next, gently lift the screen and flip it to relax on the body. Next, remove the bracket by undoing two screws. And then unplug the LCD connector plug to free the screen from the body. Next, remove the faulty rear camera. First, remove the bracket by undoing 5 screws. While pulling, release the tape holding the rear camera. Next, disconnect and remove the not working rear camera from the body. Next, place the new rear camera and secure the plug. And finally, secure the bracket by adding 5 screws. Next, add B7000 glue or adhesive tape around the frame. Next, install the display assembly to the body. First, secure the LCD plug and then fasten the battery plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the bracket by adding two screws. Next, gently slide the screen into place from bottom to top and press lightly along the edges to secure it. Finally, we are adding bonding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.